You trust your MOTOTRBO radio system to provide superb voice quality, critical data, innovative features, and a broad selection of rugged, reliable radios to keep communications up and your business running smoothly. But you can't always be in range of your MOTOTRBO system, and sometimes it's not convenient for your workers to carry a radio. What if your workers could connect to MOTOTRBO from any wireless device, over any broadband network, from anywhere in the world, with just the touch of a button? Now you can, with MOTOTRBO Anywhere, a mobile application for iOS and Android devices that connects to your MOTOTRBO system through any Wi-Fi or cellular network. MOTOTRBO Anywhere delivers push-to-talk functionality to extend the reach of your MOTOTRBO system. Simply log in, push, and talk. For a field service technician completing jobs in various cities around the region, MOTOTRBO Anywhere allows him to connect to colleagues in the main office, even when he is not in range of the MOTOTRBO system. In a factory, MOTOTRBO Anywhere gives the plant manager the freedom to use his mobile device to get his work done and communicate with the factory floor without carrying two separate devices. At a hotel, temporary contractors need to communicate with maintenance staff. MOTOTRBO Anywhere can be used to connect their smart devices to the hotel's MOTOTRBO system. Now, the contractors are constantly in touch with hotel operations, so their work is completed safely and efficiently. MOTOTRBO Anywhere is the perfect complement to your radio system. It lets you go further, react faster, and reach more people. MOTOTRBO Anywhere. Connect without limits. That's Digital Remastered.